Okay, I think we can start. You should be able to see my screen now. Is my mic good? Hello, Asaf. Welcome. I'm really good. How about you? Hey, can you make about how master sounds effects in UE5? Mm, I'm not quite sure what you mean. Can you elaborate? Okay, so yesterday we stopped here in our vendor store. But we got our models updated. I'm good. I'm also excited to see this game. Me too, me too. So we got new models from the Polyforge, the guy that made them. So we're gonna insert all of these new models right now. Let's get that models. Because current walls are kinda too small. Okay. Are you working in gamedev? You mean in the company? No. In the company, no, but in the free time, I program. Maybe hello, welcome to the stream. Welcome everyone. So first thing that we're gonna do in today's stream is we're gonna get these props here. We're gonna set it up. Now we have some base texture for everything, just for the prototyping and stuff. So what game you make? I pinned it in the comment on the top in the chat. It says what is it about. Okay, so this should be done now. Just select all of those stuff. Okay. So right now we need to create our store with these assets. It's still prototype though. now it's easy. I need to be careful about the tiling and stuff. Ten people already. Welcome guys, welcome to the stream. Also, if you have any ideas in the store design where some stuff should be, you can tell me what you would like to see changed. So everyone can contribute to this level design while I'm doing stuff. So about this store, the base, the warehouse is going to be actually the main gameplay, let's say level, like the place, because in store it's just for the decorations. Hi, can I ask something? Sure. So I'm thinking a little bit more. Also, I was talking with the Polyforge guy, actually the guy that came to this idea originally, and who is making assets for this game. So the map is going to be quite interesting, because you will be able to see the outside as well. You're not going to be able to leave the map, but it's going to be like, you know, street where you have all these houses as well. So it feels like it's actual normal store. Because the thing with this store is we don't want to make it so it looks like it's a legal store, because there's no point to make store that's illegal look like illegal, because then just police comes. We want to make some basic products here that seem normal in the first hand, but are actually not normal, and are in the warehouse it's actually the illegal stuff, if you know what I mean. How long do I need to, how long will take me, wait, how long do, oh, how long will take you to learn Unreal Engine 5? Oh, depends how you learn, and depends if you are a quick learner, depends if you have easier time programming, if you have easier time visualizing stuff. It all varies on the person. You're never too sure. It can take you literally 6 months to learn it, and someone is gonna take 3 years, you know. It all depends on person and the learning capabilities. As I said, Unreal Engine is kinda easier to learn if you have easier time visualizing stuff. But if you have easier time programming and stuff, then Unity is so much better. Because C# is... Do you think you can do a drop pod like a Helldivers? What's that? What does the drop pod do? I don't know how to make AI that only hears your footsteps, jumps, etc. After it hears your, it starts running after you. Also it hears when you say something through mic. I mean, this is more advanced problem. What I did is I saw Matt Asplant do tutorial on the AI that can hear you walk. So you should definitely check that out. So the guy named Matt Asplant. I'm gonna type it in chat. And check these guys out. I think they have tutorials on it. Did someone drop from the sky? I mean, for this game, that's useless. But I know how I would make it if I was making it for my game. It's not that hard. You just need to spawn the actor, give him some physics, and when he touches the ground, he gets destroyed. You randomize the events, what's gonna happen, so you have random events, and then it drops. But that's whole game logic there that needs to be done. But for example, this game, it's no point to make that, you know. But you would need to have logic for the whole weapon turret system, right? So it's much deeper problem actually. The spawning it random in the sky is the least problem. You just make the box that has a physics and then it falls. You spawn it in the sky. And then you would call event spawn turret or something. I don't know how it works though, so I cannot tell you exactly what they do. I never actually played that game, and when I was outside with my friend IRL, he asked me about it, to play that game. But I don't know, something about that game doesn't make me wanna play it. I guess it's not competitive, I don't know. When I play games, I really like them competitive, so games like when it's like just PvE, I never found it so fun to play for myself. Well, I'll keep watching to keep your views up. I got things to do. Have a great stream. Thank you very much. Thank you. I appreciate that. So we are getting our warehouse bigger, that's for sure. Okay. So as you can see, the warehouse is gonna be so much bigger than the actual store because we wanna have the gameplay here, right? Oh, this is bad actually. How did that happen? Oh, whoops. Hey, why don't you use PCG for the rooms and corridors? I don't want to. I want to set up as I want, you know, not just randomly generate. Plus, I don't have much experience with that. But I definitely want to have control of what they look like, because it's not aimed to be like replayable and stuff. This is just simple community game that I wanted to make. And this is definitely too high. What type of game this will be? Check the pinned comment. It's a quick description of it. But basically, you are like vendor in the black market, and when you go to the warehouse, some horror events happen, basically. But I'm trying to make it as simple as possible, because I don't want to waste so much time on this game. Why did I do that? Sounds cool. Yeah, it was the idea of one guy on the stream yesterday, and everyone on the stream just instantly agreed, yeah, we should take that idea. And for now, it do look cool. Like, I have everything in the head how I would make it, so that's pretty cool. So I won't be spending too much time of thinking, oh, how should I do this, how should I do that. But what I would need to do here is this, so I can save some time. The warehouse is going to be huge, by the way. Oh, I didn't select that one. When The Last of Us 3, the one has the AAA companies. Well, when I was creating this project, starting the live yesterday, I didn't think about something this detailed, but I like the idea. So we in the stream just all said, okay, let's do it, fact. So it is a little bit harder game to make, which it's not what I was aiming for yesterday, but I don't mind. Also, I will need to buy the monsters from somewhere, but I still don't know from where. So if you guys have any good monster characters that are in the store, if you can send me, I'll be very thankful. Because I really cannot find any good monster to put it in the game, to be honest. And I want to buy some monster for the game. I feel like this is going to be enough. This is turned wrong. Hello, Citrus. Thank you. Welcome, welcome. So this should be okay. Hi, Ruba. What's the plan? Well, for now, just trying to express my creativity through these assets. For now. So I really hope I'm gonna get the like playable level, like fully set up with the walls around and the lightings. That's what I'm aiming to do for today. I feel like this should be just a little bit bigger. We are still missing the asset for the glass outside. So we're gonna continue this when we get this asset, but for now we're just gonna block it out like this. I can even get this as well. It's snapping so good. Like everything is in millimeters, correct? About that millimeters. Oh. About that. Okay, nice. Is it necessary to create corner walls? What do you mean? I have the one asset that I just connect and I create corner like this. Let me see. Does that look like to a player? Okay, I see what's the problem here. We need to set up the collision properly. Yeah, now it works. So the thing is, I'm not sure if I want to put the ceiling right now up. Do I want to make it higher? I can just put ceiling up there. I can probably do it with the floor, to be honest. Yeah, I feel like it should be higher. It is warehouse, and this should be lower. Let me just ask my friend. Okay. Let's see what else I got. But it is kinda already a little bit higher. Okay, I have some more assets to add. This is the old model. So I have monitor, have keyboard. Warehouse and factories, 4 to 8 meters ceiling height. I search for storage warehouse. Yeah, I feel like they should be much bigger. Let me just see. He didn't send me the table though. So I'm actually missing a lot of stuff. I'm gonna actually show you guys. This is what we have, what our guy made. All of that stuff. So I need this stuff from him to send me. Also need the PC. But for now, let's put it on the cube, I guess. And then later we are gonna just adapt it. Let's check how it looks like. Oh, that looks good. That actually looks very good, how he made these keys. Wait, that actually looks so good. I bet I need this texture here to make it look even better. If I'm correct. Yeah. Look at that. Actually banger. I'm not sure if he made the monitor with it. Let me check. I think he did. So basically he used one color for everything. He has this color palette and he uses it for everything. So yeah. Yeah, that looks cool. Yep. Okay, that's for now. Let me see my Trello, what I need to do more. So today we need to finish the loading screen. Stress system. Also the new day that needs to be done as well. So, well, what I'm thinking is maybe I should make the first part of the game playable, right? So version 1. And don't make any randomized orders and stuff. And just casual going into the warehouse and cleaning up the warehouse. So this is what I'm thinking. Because this would take a lot of time with the order system and stuff. So I could probably, you know, this closing shift games, like horror games type of stuff. I could make something like this for now, just to get a playable game. And then later on I could upgrade on it with the orders, with the stuff, make it version 2, maybe even make a new game out of it, you know. Like the, for example, Black Market Vendor and Black Market Vendor 2. I am thinking. I'm thinking it's way smart. It's way smarter to get it playable. Yeah, I think we should do it this way. Black Market gameplay closing shift. Yeah. So now we can fit everything inside of that, the game mode. And then later on, when we create another type of game with the actual orders, then we can create just another game mode and add it upon it. So actually we could have something playable instead of waiting for 1 hour. I just watched this stream. You mean you watched the VOD of the yesterday stream, or? I'm gonna put doors here because it looks ugly right now. There's nothing outside. Oh, these are the... yeah, this one. I feel like it creates better vibe when we actually finish up something and then we just upgrade upon it. It just keeps our motivation so we can see the end product. I think this is fine. Is it though? I don't know. Doesn't matter. We're gonna fix it later on. So here. Okay. That's okay for now. Can you recap what you're doing? You mean the game idea or the mechanics? Basically, you're a black market vendor, and you have a lot of illegal stuff inside of your warehouse, and you get the orders. You go pick up your orders, but there is a horror stuff happening in the warehouse. But I think we should just firstly make a game that acts like, for example, closing shift. Very simple game, and then when we get this playable, we can easily add up more game modes in the game. So better start easy, get something playable, and then upgrade on it. I think that's the best, way better idea. So I would get the objective system, and yeah, I feel like that's a better way of doing stuff. How are you categorizing your game modes? Well, I would just create different game modes here side, and this game mode is gonna have its objectives, blah blah blah. Also, you're gonna be able to get some achievements, etc. Can't you use the marketplace? Marketplace for what? Also, let me check if there is a good objective system on the marketplace, because I want some clean objective system. I know how to do one with the arrays and stuff. Oh, look at this. Yeah, tell me we are not in Matrix when it shows me this basically the moment I start building warehouse. Crazy, no? Uh, for the desk, chair, etc. What do you mean? Can't you use the marketplace for the... Oh, you mean for the assets? Do you have an Alexa? No. Uh, hmm. They're too expensive for the something simple. So I'm gonna end up building it by my way. So I'm not sure. Should I make everything happen in one day? I think yeah, because it's I should make it very easy. So Yeah, I can make myself objectives, but I do it messy way with the arrays. I'll need to look on documentation about it on the YouTube as well to see if I can find some better solutions. Okay. I'm thinking of the best way of doing some stuff. So for now, I think I'm gonna do this. Is it okay if you can hire me for the models? Well, the thing is I don't want to spend any money on this game because it's a community game. So no. First person perspective? Yeah, of course. We are working, it's like horror game. Horror games are, in my opinion, horror games are very bad in third person. I don't love it. What we can do is we can make this game, we can make these doors openable. So I'm gonna go and do that. PP doors. Also, this is just prototype models. I have my friend making. It's only 0, no need for money. I mean, if you want to contribute, sure. If you want to contribute, feel free. There's already one guy from our community that is making the assets. If you join my Discord, you can check it out, and maybe you can check what he did, and so you guys follow each other's style, so we don't have different models, you know. Here's the invite if you're not there. Here. So join there, I'm gonna verify you, and then we have community game chat, where we basically post models. Gotovo. Hvala. So how are my doors called? Oh. Well, now it's problem I have two types of doors. Let's do that. Give me a second. I'm back. Okay, let's make simple doors. Some door. Well, now the thing with the doors is when you're creating doors, most of the doors are gonna have off pivot. So what you can do about it is you can get the scene pivot like that, make it so it's not a child. Now you can literally set it up as you like. And now that I did that, what I can do is I can make scene parent of my doors. So now if I open doors, I'm gonna open it just like I would. And I can rename it to the pivot, which is pretty cool. So now the rotation -80 on the Z. So now what I can do is simply connect that to that. So from starting from 0, 0, and it, let's say, it takes 1 second to open to go to the 90. I'm just not sure if it's 90 or -90. Let me check again. -90. Hey, how I can animate an item when player clicks for inspect of item? No, I made teleporting of item near to player camera view and gave the player opportunity to rotate, but I want to do animation. I'm not quite sure what you mean with that. Do you mean like what kind of animation do you want? Hello, Polyforge. I sent you some message on Discord, by the way, that I'm missing the table for the PC and the things where you put items as well. Oh, you need animated moving item to play. So maybe what you can do is get the current actor location, world location, or relative, I don't know. Depends on what your situation is. And then you would make a timeline to bring that item to your desired location. So you can animate this with the timeline. So first you need to get the world location of the item, and then you need to animate his way up to your location where you want it. Okay, so now let's see if this works. This should work. But also there needs to be a couple stuff, but let's go and try. Oh, this is not BP doors. Okay. By default they are not open. So if they are not open, we go from false and we open it. And if they are open, this is true. We want to set the doors to not be open and play the reverse to close them. I don't know if I should let player spam it or not. Shelf and the render table I think are in the drawer. I didn't see it when I unpackaged it. Should I make the player be able to spam the doors, by the way? Or should I make it so he can only open and close once the animation is done? What do you guys think? Also, guys, my sister made some croquettes, so I mute now and then so they don't get cold. Yeah, I agree with you, Rosie. I think you should because it lends to the player being able to quickly shut the door if they see something on the other side. I completely agree. So yeah, I'm gonna make him be able to spam the doors. Only problem that can come with this is with sounds. I feel like player could spawn the sound way many times. So I'm gonna need to play with that as well. Let's see what I need more. So what we need more, one of the jump scares could be that once the player is happy with being able to control the door, they can't every now and then. Oh, you sent the shader? Thank you very much. Please load. Also, Polyforge, I came to conclusion that first game mode of this game should be something like a closing shift, and we could add up on it later on. Because I think it's gonna take too much time to get the orders custom done. So I'm feeling like something type of closing shift where he goes to the warehouse to prepare the stuff for the next day and he gets perma jump scared would be way simpler. And then that will be one game mode, and then simply later on I can create more game modes. In the which RAR? Because I don't see it. I checked the resize RAR, and inside of it I can only see this. Only this stuff. Also, there is no other RAR. Why is it not loading? Oh, that's the assets RAR. Let me see. Also, can you send me another link for the shader? Because it's not loading. For some reason unknown. Oh, that's the assets. Let me get that here. I see. Hmm. I don't think I can paste it like this. Okay, let me get this done. Oh, actually a lot of stuff uses this material, I see. Should I make the roughness a 0 or you already made it? Roughness 1, sorry. Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, that's good. That's good. In case I want to use UI. Corner. Oh, I guess this is for the... Wait, is this for the store or? Let's just do it this way for now. We just commented how keyboard looks so good, even though it's low poly, it looks so good. Yeah, Polyforge made it. All of this that you can see, he made. And he made it like in 1 hour, or even less, yesterday on the stream, which is pretty crazy. Should I make 3 aisles? Is it overkill if I make 3 aisles? Don't think so. It's gonna add more, it's gonna be even more scarier. And imagine walking here while the lights are off. So let me just create you little bit of how that would look like. We are still getting light from here. So imagine the lights die here. They are stuck here. Yeah, don't tell me this is not creepy. Also, let me see what happens here. Oh, let me check. Yeah, I think we are gonna have problem with light maps, and I never knew how to fix this, by the way. As you can see, the light is leaking. Is it convenience store? Yeah, it will look like a convenience store, but in reality it has illegal stuff in behind. Do you have the draw with the lights? What do you mean? No. I don't. Oh. Is it in the details of the light? Oh, it is. Oh, okay. So wait, what should I put it to be like? Um, okay, let's see. Oh yeah, I'm still. Oh, never mind. I got the flashlight. Oh, I see. I see what you mean. So I will need to play with that. But still, that ultimately doesn't fix the issue with the light maps, though. Oh, I have 3 lights, by the way. There. See, those are 3 rect lights. Um, so I think in modeling you have the light map UVs, right? So the problem with this now is that you see it goes through the wall. Like even if I put something above, as you can see now, if I put this for example and I stretch it as a ceiling, it still leaks the light. Oh, my bad. Let's fix that because we'll just lose the floor. Like that. So even if I do this, it's still gonna leak the light from the other room. I think you need to create like another UV map for the light maps, if I'm correct, or something. I am not really good with Blender, but something that has to do with the light maps. Also, I need to get this vendor table here as well. Guys, how can I blur all behind of inspecting object item? I mean, I know there is a thing that you can enable background blur in the UI, but I have no idea how are you gonna put it so the item that you are inspecting is not blurred. So I haven't done that yet ever, so I don't know how to help. Hello Croton, welcome. Guys, I'm gonna go grab cola. I'm gonna play ads and I'm back in 1 minute. Be right back. I'm back. Yeah, I know. I use a lot of hand key to help me with it. Okay, now I really need a lit version. So it will be very good if I can populate this. But the thing is, okay, here's the thing. You know Polyforge, how I show you the screenshots of the payday maps, how they have the outside as well. So it's a big advertisement window, like with the glass. So I would like that, and then what I would do, I would make it so it appears that this is normal convenience store, like with the apples, with the juices, with the drinks, with the food, you know. Or you played a lot of Payday? Oh, well, then you know the map called, is it Diamond Store? I think it's a Diamond Store. You know how outside it has really nice map, um, but doesn't need to be that detailed. But the thing is, they have the glass. Sorry, they have the glass here, so the people from outside can see what's in the shop. So what I want this shop to be, I want it to appear like a normal shop, but in the background it's going to have illegal stuff. Also, when I suddenly mute, I'm eating croquettes and I don't wanna hurt your guys' ears with crunching. Let me see. City Walk asks, are you familiar with UDS? Do you know if it's possible to make a volume in which UDS and UDV works different than in the world? UDS? No, I'm not familiar with that. What is that? Um, hello, Binas. So Croton said, I started working on the multiplayer and the crates we talked about last week. Multiplayer is difficult as heck right now. Yeah, it is. But if you can get these crates working, really update me. I really like those crates. What is your graphic card? Um, my graphic card is this. Uh, I will work on a few items today too. What are the most important things you need at the moment? Okay, so at the moment I need the normal, you know, just normal convenience store items, like for example fruits. Doesn't have to be fruits, just something that you will see in the normal market, so it doesn't appear something suspicious is going on in the warehouse. I need a plain white wall so I can upgrade on the warehouse, so I can make it one floor bigger, you know, so I can make it like this, bigger than this. I need ceiling. Um, and that's it, I think. You can also change the floor of the warehouse if you want. The floor, pull it up. Oh, it's double face? Oh, okay. Okay, perfect then. Then floor is gonna be ceiling. Um, you can use for both. Oh, I can also do this with it. Yeah, I could actually do that. Okay, so I need some items for the normal store. For our legal one, we have this stuff. Also, it would be good if you can create, you know how you have in the warehouse? I actually saw one asset. Let's see. Should be on the main. Yeah, look, you know how they have these crates that just take stuff in the warehouse? Like this, something like this. You can use the red color, maybe it's better. And instead of wood, metal. Thank you very much. What about Quixel Bridge? Problem with the Quixel Bridge is it's too realistic, and we are going for some low poly, mid poly look, you know. And I like having custom stuff. Give me an hour. All good, all good. So let's try to upgrade our walls. So our floors are double faced, as Polyforge says. So actually we can use it for the thing, for the walls as well. So if I just pull it like that, I can literally make it. Yeah, that's exactly what we need. And now it's double size. And of course now it doesn't fit correctly because it's not meant to be like this. Polyforge, do you mind creating this so it fits perfectly with snapping? Because I cannot snap it in Unreal Engine like this. Oh, okay. Yeah, exactly. Nice. Good. I'm gonna use the floor here. Because you said you can use it for both, so I got confused. So I tried, you know. Also, Polyforge that ARAMs yesterday, they were banger. We should totally play today as well. If you have some free time, I think we're gonna play again the same squad. Okay, this looks cool. And now guys, I'm gonna show you one trick with the Unreal Engine. So to light up the spaces like this, what we can do, let me just see the size of this. Something like that, like this. And if I set cast shadows to be false, it's already false, nice. I can, oh, lost it. I can duplicate this and just swap it around. And now we're gonna have perfectly lighted scene. Yeah, like this. What game? We played League of Legends. But we played some for fun ARAMs. Okay, so we're gonna upgrade on that as well. Here, all good. What I'm thinking, maybe I should, I'm not sure what I want to do with these lights here. So I will have some shift jobs to do. Also, what I'm thinking is to make all of this roughness 1. Because, for example, this one should be rough and not metallic, like that. Also, the walls should be rough, I feel like. So I can do metallic to be 0, roughness to be 1, and then later on we can adjust. And this as well. Perfect. Maybe walls as well. You know what's the easiest way to share models with you? You can join my Discord server. You can join my Discord server and send it on the Discord. Here is the link. I'll send you in the chat. And let me know when you join so I can verify instantly. Call of Duty prop hunt a few days ago. That exists? What? No way. Let me see. There is no way this exists. Yeah, so imagine you wake up one morning and you're like, I'm gonna add prop hunt to Call of Duty. Oh, I got the sharpness effect. Let me copy that. Also, does this go inside of the material? How should I add this effect, by the way? Polyforge, are you here? Oh. Wait, I'm gonna create new one. I do material, right? And I should do something here, or? Oh, material domain should be post-process, right? Yeah, okay, I see. And, oh, that was scary. And just connect like this, right? Oh yeah, that's it. And now I need to get my post-process here. Right here, and I need to set material. How did I name that? Oh, this will add life to the game. Oh yeah, that's so much better. Look at that. Yeah, this is insanely good. Did you make this one by yourself? Like, this is insane, this sharpness. It looks very clean. if I create material instance, let's see if I put it 4. Wait, does it update? It updates automatically, right? I think I need to put it on the second monitor. How do I use that type of things on my character's camera? Oh, I see. Well, you can do it this way as well. I mean, the both ways are correct. So wait, if I adjust it here, am I really changing it there as well? Because I don't see any difference. Change it to 5. For example, 55. I think it doesn't update in the material instance. Do I need to connect material instance actually? Or? I don't think so, right? Oh, yeah, I do. Oh my god, what did I do? Let's try 3. Yeah, we can adjust it to our likings actually. So good. For now, we're gonna leave it 3.5. Should be good. Okay, so that's done. Now we are waiting for the wall. Can you send me quickly wall so I can start building it up while you do the other stuff? Are you hearing my croquettes? Yeah, I need to get better mic, to be honest. I have like the Logitech headset that I bought like 5 years ago, and it's the one, if you guys follow, if you guys know who's Tyler One, we have the same setup for the headphones. And let me tell you something, I would never change this setup for anything in the world. For anything. If you came to me with a new version of this setup, I wouldn't trade. But the mic is disaster, I know. It picks up everything around around me, what happens. I cannot even drink cola without you hearing it. It's crazy. But I should be able to buy the Blue Jetty mic as soon as YouTube starts paying some money. I also got monetized 5 days late, 5 days earlier. It's still very low. It's like I'm getting around €1, €1.50 per day, which is crazy good, right? Because all I do is just record stuff that I like. Try turning your gain down. Yeah, I should try. I should try to play with this mic. Actually, after this stream, I'm gonna play with it. Are you working on the plumber game still, or is it done? It's not done. It's just a project that, how can I say, I ran into some error with the files and I didn't have time to fix it. And also I got burnout from that project also. So yeah, now we're doing this. So here I need walls to continue building up on this. But this for now looks great, and maybe I should start on the game mode. But to have a game mode, I will need to create basic objective system that's gonna guide the player what to do about it and how to do. So I will, for the objective system, I for sure need to get help from my friend to give me the best possible clean solution, so I can make it really modular. Because I know how to make it hard-coded, right? I could make it, but it's just not nice. And I have a friend that is very experienced with that type of stuff. The other stuff that I wanted to do, oh yeah, the jump scares as well. Yeah. So there will be random events for the random jump scares. But the thing is, I cannot do anything about it until I have the objective system, because I want to trigger jump scares based on the objective system. You can sign in. Wait. Oh, yeah, basically you need to open a ticket, but I'm gonna verify you like this, so you don't have to open it. There you go. There you go. Let me just verify one more guy. You should be able to see the channels now. Okay, so the thing is, I'm gonna have the objective system. And everything is gonna be based upon that, and it's gonna be in its own game mode. And once we get that playable, then we can expand on the game, you know. But I just want to make the demo playable, and then later on we can add everything that we said we're gonna add, like this, like electricity, etc., etc. So yeah, for now we are gonna do that. I'm gonna also add the light switches. I feel like those are gonna be coming in handy. Ruba, how you're doing today? Doing pretty good. How about you? Sorry, I got disconnected. Can you give me the wall extension so I can start building up while you're doing on other stuff? Just quickly send me on Discord if you can. Also, FinGamer, you can send chat to the community game. I'm gonna tag you right here. And what I also want to, oh yeah, you already sent it. Nice, thank you very much. Yeah, that's it. Perfect. Wait, I think it's too fat. Oh no, it's fat. See, it's a little bit fat. And the problem is that I cannot snap it here. So it's not gonna be clean, you know. it's gonna be, you see. So can I send the link of my SketchUp? Yeah, you can do that. Or you can just send the file FBX in the chat on the Discord. Wait, Binos, is that the same game that you sent video about? Where you are shooting the zombies? Oh, nice. Do you have any updates? Did you add something new? Oh, do you mind sending it to share your work on the Discord? Let me see. I'm gonna show it on the stream. Also, what I want to do is I want to really make this nicer. So what we can do while we are waiting for some stuff, and on the next stream I'm gonna have the objectives system done, and I'm gonna show you how I made it. We could go to the maps, to the main menu, and actually what we could do is we could set up the sample scene. So I'm not sure if I can literally copy this, but it will be cool if I can just yoink this from here. Something like this, for example. I actually never tried to do this, but looks like I can. That's cool. Oh, it didn't copy the... Okay, doesn't matter with that. I want to create 3D main menu, basically. So let's add some props. I really like creating 3D menus. It's my favorite stuff about Unreal Engine. So right now, the exposure is being pain in the ass. So let's fix that. Like that. Now I can get simple camera. Later on this camera can be obviously adjusted, and obviously the level can be changed. Also, I need to not forget about the sharpness material. So now in my main menu, I'm gonna get my player controller, set view target with blend, like that. Gonna close all of this stuff here. Um, oh, basically I need to reference it here. Nice. There goes the main menu. Maybe so now this actually can go up there. So if I go ahead now and play it in standalone, we should be able to see the results. You're right, actually, Croton. We could do that. Let's do that actually right now. I bet you're thinking something like, get that. We are lying to our players. They think something is happening here, but in reality, I mean, every game does that. Every game lies to you in the some way. It's just what the game does. Something like this. Maybe not like this. Something like this. What do you think about this, Croton? That looks good. I really like this. So here I should make so the player can choose the game modes as well. Also, this main button, I should actually create a master button for it, so I can use it everywhere. Something like button UI. Size box. This is how you create modular buttons as well. You need a plant on the desks, and that's how you keep alive, or you lose the game also. Well, here's the thing, we can actually make multiple game modes that have different types. For example, one is horror night shift, one is keeping plant alive while on the shift, the other one, you know. Actually, we can do a lot of game modes with this. I really like that idea. Let's put desired. Like, game mode keep the plant alive. Okay, let's edit this. So how you make a modular button is basically you get all that there is with the button, and then you just export it to the variables, like here. And now what I can do is you can just promote to variable button height and button width, for example. And now I make it editable. So now if I'm ever to pull this button, for example now, it's still not done, but I can choose the height of the button, and but still it's not updating right now. Actually, is it? Oh, yeah, it's wrong. It's for me. I not understood. What? What is for you? Oh, also you asked, can I separate mesh from components without using Blender, etc.? I don't think so actually. I think you need to use Blender to separate it. The plant being a rare drug plant without to the black market, something like this, yeah. I think it's good idea to literal another new game mode to make of it. let's see. Let's get our button. Get background color. No, actually set. Let's remove these outlines, they're ugly as fuck. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Also, I started learning about Firebase and multiplayer. I had some project working on, and I spent whole morning around that, and it's pretty interesting. So I might put some time into learning Firebase, how it works with Unreal Engine. Because right now we're doing some project that involves Firebase as a backend and connects to the Unreal Engine. It's pretty cool actually. Can't tell you more details about it, but I want to learn about it. What else? Text. Yeah, I need to set font. And by default, something like this. Yeah, good. Also, I need for this button to work, I need something that's called event dispatcher to just tell that button is clicked, like that. And because of that now, if I go to my main menu and I delete those two ugly buttons, I can put my buttons here. I can also make them fill and then like that. I can make it... Oh, I didn't do the most important stuff actually. Set text. I knew I forgot something. I'm not sure if I want it on the left side to have any padding, to be honest. Oh. So because of the event dispatcher now, if I make this button play button variable and quit button also variable, I have on clicked. That's my dispatcher doing the work, like this, and still it's the same stuff. Let's see how it looks like in standalone. Ruba, I might need to hire you to make the menu UI for my game. I hate doing that stuff so much. Sure. That doesn't look right. It's a little bit of adjustment. But yeah, for now it's going to be good. Let's test it one more time. Okay, Potati sent me the video. Oh, you also have the post-processing. Very nice. That's very good. Nice. Nice, good job. That's good. Very good. Finn Gamer, where did you send it? So this is how the main menu looks like right now. I'm pretty happy with that. We need to work on our loading screen. That's for sure. Also, I need to work on my button when it's hovered to be a little bit different. Because right now you cannot see if it's hovered or not. At least I cannot. I will need to work on that. Or actually I can just make it black like this. When it's hovered, make it a little bit lighter like that, and when it's pressed, full black again. And then the background color, I could make it to be by default that. Yeah, that's better. But still it's too light. Should be something like this. For now it's okay. Also guys, today I started stream a bit later than usual. So I don't have much time today. So for today what we managed to do is we did manage to get the main menu working. 3D. We got this nice effect that Polyforge gave us. We built something here which has to be upgraded tomorrow. But tomorrow I'm gonna be back with my knowledge for the objectives, so we can do the objectives as well tomorrow, so we can start building up our game. I'm pretty fine with results because we did a lot of setup. The problem with games is you need to do a lot of setup initially, and then later on when you do setup, when you create everything, then it goes very easy to upgrade the game, do whatever you like. Like for example master button here, we spent some like 15-20 minutes, but now every time we do the UI it's gonna take a lot less time. So actually I'm gonna end stream here. Finn Gamer, you are doing the the assets, I know. You can send the assets to my Discord in the community chat. Also, you Polyforge, if you still work on the assets, just feel free to send it there, and tomorrow we're gonna import it easy inside of the engine. So thank you guys all for watching. FinGamer, you can just send it to Discord, no problem. And tomorrow on the stream, we are gonna import it on the stream to the engine. So yeah, I'm gonna be ending stream here. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for supporting. And tomorrow I'm gonna stream way more because I had some project that I was working on this morning, some business project. So I started very late at 4 p.m. and now I don't have time because it's already 6. But tomorrow I'm gonna stream as well. Can't sign in Discord. I gave you a role. I gave you a role. You're verified. You can see the stuff. I can add you as a friend. So here, you can send me in private. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you tomorrow.